Hello students, welcome to our exposure classes. So today I will be taking the part 2 of chapter 6 from class 7 science CBSE board, physical and chemical changes. Okay, so if you will go in the part 1 video, you will find that I have discussed about the physical changes. We have discussed there a lot about physical properties, physical changes, the types of physical changes, and then we have seen lots of examples which indicates that this is a physical change. So today we are going to deal on chemical change. Fine. So we will see what is chemical change and how this change is different from the physical change. Okay. So physical change was the physical property of a substance. If we talk about the chemical change, it's just the chemical properties of a substance. Okay, so let's discuss on chemical change. A chemical change is the one in which one or more substance they react together to form a new substance. Fine. Any new substance it can be formed. So that is a chemical change. Okay. So one or more substance react to form a new substance. That is a chemical change. Let's take an example. Suppose hydrogen is there. Hydrogen plus O2. What does it give? H2O. So hydrogen was a gas, oxygen was a gas, and H2O formed, that is water, is a liquid. So this is basically a chemical reaction which is taking place. So we can also say that chemical change is just a chemical reaction. So here you can see one product is, the first product is hydrogen gas. The second product that reacts is the oxygen and it gives a new product. Okay, it gives a new product. Okay, so further when I will be dealing with the chemical reaction, I will be in short, I will tell you what is chemical reaction. So these are basically the reactants, reactant 1, reactant 2, and it gives a new product. So I have written this example of hydrogen plus oxygen just to show you that this is a chemical change, and in a chemical change one or more substance. So here you can see two substances. They react together to form a new substance. A new substance has been derived or a new substance has been formed. Now the question is the property of the new substance and the reactant, the substance that have reacted is same? If you see here, what you will say? You will say no. As it is clearly you can see these are gases, the new substance formed is a liquid. So there is a change in the property. So the new substance formed has different chemical properties than the previous substances. Okay. So the first thing we got to know that about chemical change is that chemical change is a change in which one or more substance react together to form a new substance. That is a chemical change. Secondly, we have seen that a new substance form has a different chemical properties. Okay, जो उनका original substance है जिससे वो react किए उससे डिफरेंट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज होंगी उनकी। अगर आप देखेंगे तो जो न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म हो उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होगी। ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट केमिकल चेंज इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन। जितने भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस अकर हो रहे हैं दैट इज व्हाट, इट्स अ केमिकल चेंज। ओके, सो बेसिकली 3 पॉइंट्स आर देयर अबाउट केमिकल चेंज। So the first thing about chemical change is when one or more substance with each other to form a new substance. Okay, when one or more substance react with each other to form a new substance. तो पहली चीज केमिकल चेंज में क्या हुई, क्या चेंज अगर हुआ, एक न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म हुआ। अब दूसरी चीज हम क्या देखेंगे केमिकल चेंज में कि जो न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म हुआ उसकी केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट थी। ओके, सो द न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म has got a different chemical properties. Okay, and the third very important thing is that chemical change are also what it is a chemical reaction. Chemical change क्या है? Chemical reaction. Chemical change is just called chemical reaction. Okay, so now let's take some of the example of chemical change. A very common example in our day-to-day life is the rusting of iron. आपने देखा होगा रस्टिंग हो जाती है आयरन की, आयरन में मोर्चा लग जाता है। व्हाट इज दैट? सो बेसिकली रस्टिंग क्या है कि आपका जो आयरन है, एनी मेटल रॉड, एनी रॉड, एनी आयरन रॉड इज देयर, सो बेसिकली व्हेन इट इज एक्सपोज्ड टू मॉइस्चर इट रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन एंड रस्टिंग अकर्स। रस्टिंग में क्या है, आप किसी भी खुले प्लेस पे रख दीजिए आयरन रॉड को, वो वाटर के टच में आया क्योंकि मॉइस्चर से रिएक्ट किया और दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज रस्टिंग। एक ब्राउन सा कोटिंग आपको दिखाई देगा, वो क्या है? रस्टिंग है। इन आवर डेली लाइफ वी कॉल इट मोर्चा। ओके, सो बहुत ही कॉमन एग्जांपल है रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन। आप सबने कहीं ना कहीं देखा होगा, बहुत सारी चीजें जहाँ पे रस्टिंग हो जाती हैं। हमारे घर में रॉड्स हैं, कभी कभी हमारे कोई इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं जिनमें रस्टिंग हो जाती है। विंडोज की कुछ रॉड्स हैं जिनमें, इसीलिए पेंटिंग लोग करा देते हैं रॉड आयरन की चीजों पे, सो दैट इट कैन बी सेव्ड, इट इज नॉट बीइंग रस्टेड। ओके, देन कम्स द बर्निंग ऑफ वुड। यू मस्ट हैव सीन व्हेन वुड बर्न, smoke plume used to come, ashes come, so that is also what it is a chemical change. So these two are some of the examples. There are many other examples that we are going to discuss now. First we will see about chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? As I have told you that chemical change is just called chemical reaction. So why it is called chemical reaction? Then we will see some of the examples which are going to show the chemical change. Okay? So next let's see what is chemical reaction. Okay, so chemical reaction is a process by which two or more substances react with each other to form a new substance which has a different property. So this is chemical reaction. As we have seen, the chemical change, that is only a chemical reaction. Okay, so chemical reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances react together to form a new substance which has got a different properties. Okay, so chemical reaction is a reaction in which two or more substances react together to form a new substance which has got different properties. Okay, so this is basically chemical reaction. अब chemical reaction में क्या है कि the substance which take part in a chemical reaction are called reactants. Okay, so chemical reaction में दो portion है, एक आपका reactant आता है. Okay, the first is the reactant और दूसरी चीज आपके आती है product. So if we talk about reactant, what is reactant? The substance which takes part in the chemical reaction. वो substance जो किसमें participate कर रहा है chemical reaction में. The substance that takes part in chemical reaction. Okay? और अब प्रोडक्ट की बात करें तो दी न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म, जो न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म हुआ वो क्या है? प्रोडक्ट. दी न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म as a result of chemical change ओके, केमिकल रिएक्शन की वजह से द न्यू सब्सटेंस जो फॉर्म हो एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज द प्रोडक्ट. सो जो सब्सटेंस रिएक्ट कर रहा है दैट इज रिएक्टेंट, द सब्सटेंस दैट इज टेकिंग पार्ट. सो लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल H plus O2. So H is one reactant and O2 is other reactant and a new substance formed is H2O, that is a water. So that is a product. Okay. So reactant 1, reactant 2 gives one product. So I hope chemical reaction must be very clear to you. So there are different types of chemical reaction: displacement reaction, reduction, oxidation, crystallization. So there are so many types of chemical reactions are there. Displacement, double displacement. So in our syllabus only few reactions we have to study. Not all, so we will discuss some of the chemical changes which are taking place in different reactions. So let's see them. One thing I missed to tell you that in chemical reaction, as you have seen, H plus O2 gives you H2O. So this is one reactant. Okay, this is reactant 2. This is 2 reactant and this is one product form. Okay. So there are two sides. This, if you will say RSH, right hand side, and if you see this is LHS, this is left hand side. Okay. So in any chemical reaction, we have to see one or two things very carefully, that these reactants should be balanced. Reactant and product should be balanced. Means LHS should always be equal to RHS. अब LHS RHS के बराबर कैसे होगा, लाइक देखते हैं. यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन कितना है? There is a one hydrogen here. If you see here, how many hydrogens are there? Two. It means LHS and RHS is not same. दोनों बैलेंस नहीं है. ये केमिकल रिएक्शन का बैलेंस नहीं है. क्यों नहीं बैलेंस है? क्योंकि एक तरफ प्रोडक्ट में तो हाइड्रोजन 2 के अमाउंट में है और रिएक्टेंट में हाइड्रोजन ओनली 1 है. तो आप यहाँ पे 2 लिख दो. अब अगर आप देखो तो 2 हाइड्रोजन एज अ प्रोडक्ट and 2 hydrogen as a reactant and 2 hydrogen as a product. So they are balanced. अब बात करते हैं ऑक्सीजन की. तो ऑक्सीजन का कितना है? ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे 2 ऑक्सीजन है, बट यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन कितनी है? 1 है. तो अगेन इट्स नॉट बैलेंस्ड. सो अगर आप 2 ऑक्सीजन बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे 2 लगाते हो तो ऑक्सीजन तो बैलेंस हो गया, बट हाइड्रोजन कितना हो गया? 2 2 जा 4. अब आपके RHS में क्या है? 4 हाइड्रोजन है और 2 ऑक्सीजन है. बट आप इधर आ जाओ तो ऑक्सीजन तो 2 है, बट हाइड्रोजन कितना है? इट्स स्टिल 2. सो हाउ यू विल बैलेंस? जस्ट मेक हियर 4. अब अगर आप देखो तो 4 हाइड्रोजन, 2 ऑक्सीजन एंड 2 ऑक्सीजन. ओके, सो LSH is equal to RSH. Okay, so balancing of a chemical equation is very important. Students, please remember, whenever you write any chemical equation, that's good, you are writing, but please balance that. If you are not going to balance your chemical reaction, marks will be deducted. Okay, so that's why I have told you that if you in the further class there will be big chemical equations, chemical reactions will be there, so you should be aware from now only that how you can balance the reaction. I have told you, and the main thing that is LHS should be equal to RHS. Number of molecules of hydrogen, number of molecules of oxygen in this reaction are equal. Number of molecules of hydrogen is 4, number of molecules of oxygen is 2. So be careful for this. So now let's see some of the chemical reactions. Firstly, we will discuss on the formation of metallic oxide. So meanwhile, if you have not subscribed our channel Ollie Scholar yet, please do subscribe it so that you can get the notification whenever we upload the video. Okay, so please subscribe it. So let's see a reaction, that is formation of metallic oxide. Okay, we will see how metallic oxide is being formed. Okay, so for this formation of metallic oxide, we are going to see the chemical change that is going to take place. Okay, so we have already discussed the properties of chemical change. Let's see, taking this example, what we have to do? We have to clean a magnesium ribbon, any magnesium ribbon you can say, which should be about 2 centimeter long. Okay, the magnesium ribbon which we have to take, that should be 2 centimeter long, and we have to clean it. How you can clean it? Just take a sandpaper, rub on it. Okay, so when you will rub the sandpaper on it, it will be clean. 2 सेंटीमीटर की एक मैग्नीशियम रिबन आपको लेनी है एंड आपको उसको क्लीन करना है यूजिंग अ सैंडपेपर बाय रबिंग सैंडपेपर ऑन दैट मैग्नीशियम रिबन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू होल्ड दैट मैग्नीशियम ribbon with a tong. Okay, so just take a tong take a spirit lamp, burn it, and holding the magnesium ribbon like this in a tongue, just burn it using either you can take a spirit lamp or you can also take a burner. Okay, so when you will burn that, okay, basically what you have to do, suppose this is any spirit lamp or a burner, and you have taken the magnesium ribbon in a tongue like this, and you have to burn it here. So when you are burning it, just here you keep something to collect the ashes. Okay, suppose you have kept the watch glass here. This is your 2 centimeter magnesium ribbon. Okay, this is the spirit lamp. Now what will happen when you will burn this magnesium ribbon with a spirit lamp? There will be ashes will be formed, and those ashes you have to put this watch disc like this, that they get collected here in the watch disc. Okay, so you have to collect the ash in a watch glass. Fine. So, but be careful. One thing you have to be very careful, that this magnesium ribbon should be far from your eyes. Otherwise, when you will burn with it, these acids, the smokes will come in your eyes, and that will be harmful. Okay. So this was the setup of our experiment. This, okay. आप इसमें क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, बस एक 2 सेंटीमीटर का मैग्नीशियम रिबन आपने लिया, उसको आप होल्ड करेंगे टॉन्ग की मदद से. ओके, एंड जस्ट टेक अ स्प्रिट लैम्प, बर्न इट. मैग्नीशियम रॉड को आपको हीट करना है, बर्न करना है, और नीचे एक वॉच ग्लास रखनी है जिसमें जो ऐश बन रही है वो कलेक्ट हो सके. ओके, सो दीज मैग्नीशियम रेसिड्यूज यू कैन से is being collected here in the watch glass. Okay, so this was the setup of the experiment. Now what we will see, we will observe that magnesium ribbon burns. Okay, it burns with a dazzling white fluids. Which type of flame is there? Dazzling white flame. Okay, so magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame, and it changes that it is that magnesium ribbon, it changes into a white powder. It changes into a white powder like a ash. Okay, powder, वो magnesium ribbon आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि magnesium ribbon है, वो बिल्कुल powder के form में white powder की तरह change हो जाएगा. Okay, changes into a white powder. Now we were talking about chemical change. हमने chemical change की बात की थी. तो इस reaction में ये metallic oxide जो form हो रहा है, writing the reaction also. So इसमें दो basic change हो रहे हैं. Big changes. The one is the dazzling white flame comes out, and the metallic ribbon changes into a white powder. It is totally changed. You cannot say that it is that magnesium ribbon. So as we have discussed, in chemical change the property changes. So here property of magnesium ribbon is going to change. Okay. So this powder is what? This powder that is formed, this white powder, it's what? It's formed as a magnesium oxide. This is a magnesium oxide. ठीक है, तो व्हाइट पाउडर बना, मतलब क्या बना? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बना. और हमने भी किसकी बात की थी? मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड. किसी भी मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मेशन. तो यहाँ पे क्या मेटल कौन सा है? मैग्नीशियम है, और ऑक्साइड मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड फॉर्म हुआ. ओके, कॉपर ऑक्साइड हो सकता है या कोई भी और ऑक्साइड हो सकता है. तो यहाँ पे मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड कौन सा है? मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड है, मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड. So how this magnesium oxide is formed? It is formed when the magnesium reacts with oxygen. Okay, that is present in the air. Magnesium is reacting रिएक्शन आई विल बी शोइंग यू। बिकॉज मैग्नीशियम को जब बर्न किया जा रहा है तो जो एयर में ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है उससे मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट कर जा रही है और क्या बना रही है, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड। ओके, दैट इज अ वाइट पाउडर। सो लेट्स सी द रिएक्शन। आई होप द एक्सपेरिमेंट मस्ट बी क्लियर टू यू। तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, मैग्नीशियम है, मैग्नीशियम किससे रिएक्ट करेगी, ऑक्सीजन से। ओके, और ये क्या बनाएगी, मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड। ओके, सो मैग्नीशियम का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, Mg। इट इज गोइंग टू रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज O2। And what does it form? It forms magnesium oxide, or you can say any metallic oxide. So magnesium oxide is MgO. Okay. So chemical reactions I have already told you. So if we will see, this portion is what? This is the reactants. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था chemical reaction में जो substance फॉर्मेशन में हेल्प कर रहे हैं वो क्या है, रिएक्टेंट है, दे आर रिएक्टिंग। और मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड जो फॉर्म हुआ दैट इज व्हाट, इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट। ओके, सो रिएक्टेंट्स रिएक्ट किए, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हुआ, और इस प्रोडक्ट की जो प्रॉपर्टीज है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, दैट इज टोटली डिफरेंट। ओके, Mg plus O2 इज गिविंग MgO। अब दूसरी बात हमने क्या की थी, रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्सीजन के नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स इक्वल होने चाहिए। सो लेट्स सी क्या ये रिएक्शन बैलेंस्ड है। सो हाउ मेनी मैग्नीशियम इज देयर, 1। हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम हियर, 1। सो इट्स ओके। बट हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन आर हियर, 2, and here only 1. So what we need 2 oxygen here also. Okay, अब अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे क्या है, प्रोडक्ट में 2 molecules of magnesium है, 2 molecules of oxygen भी है। Product is having 2 molecules of magnesium and 2 molecules of oxygen also. But if you will see in the reactant, 2 molecules of oxygen are there, but magnesium has got only 1 molecule. So here again you will write 2. अब अगर आप कंपेयर करो और नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स देखो इक्वल है, तो मैग्नीशियम, हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ मैग्नीशियम, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आर 2। ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज अगेन नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आर 2। सो दिस रिएक्शन इज अ बैलेंस्ड रिएक्शन। सो व्हाट डू वी सी इन दिस रिएक्शन, वी हैव सीन दैट मेटल रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन अ एयर टू फॉर्म अ मेटालिक ऑक्साइड। मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड हो गई या मेटालिक ऑक्साइड फॉर्म हुई। ओके, ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स हैं जिसमें जो ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट है एयर में उससे मेटल्स रिएक्ट करते हैं। कॉपर रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म कॉपर ऑक्साइड, और डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स आर देयर। सो दिस वाज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेटल ऑक्साइड, एंड इन दिस फॉर्मेशन as is being collected, that is the white powder. The magnesium ribbon has been converted into the white powder, which has got totally different chemical properties than the product magnesium. जो product में magnesium हमने use किया था उससे बिल्कुल different property थी जो कि हम reactant में बनाते हैं magnesium oxide को। Okay, so this was the one reaction. Next reaction we are going to see the reaction between baking soda and vinegar. ओके, विनेगर और बेकिंग सोडा के रिएक्शन को हम देखेंगे. लेट्स सी. So in this, what is going to happen? The baking soda reacts with vinegar, which contains acetic acid. We know that vinegar has got acetic acid in it. Vinegar क्या है? Acid है. कौन सा acid present होता है? Acetic acid. So that contains acetic acid. Carbon dioxide comes out when baking soda and vinegar they will react. Carbon dioxide will come out. That carbon dioxide will turn water milky. Okay? क्या केमिकल चेंज यहाँ पे हो रहा है? यहाँ पे केमिकल चेंज ये हो रहा है कि जब बेकिंग सोडा रिएक्ट करेगा विनेगर से, तो इट कंटेन्स, वी नो दैट बेकिंग सोडा कंटेन्स एसिडिक एसिड इन इट एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कम्स which turns the water milky. Okay, so it will turn lime water into milky. क्या केमिकल चेंज यहाँ पे हुआ? Turns lime water milky. Okay, क्योंकि हम केमिकल चेंज की बात कर रहे हैं, we are talking about chemical change. We have to focus that which chemical change is taking place. So this is the chemical change that is taking place. Okay, in the previous reaction we have seen that कि ash form होता है, white powder form होता है, मैग्नीशियम कन्वर्ट हो जाता है मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड में, एक white powder देता है dazzling flame के साथ. वो केमिकल चेंज था. यहाँ पे turns into lime water milky. ये केमिकल चेंज है. Okay, so let's see the reaction as we have seen earlier. So let's take vinegar, or you can also say that that is the acetic acid, plus we are taking baking soda. Okay, so when vinegar reacts with baking soda, that is baking soda is what? Sodium bicarbonate. So CO2 gas is being released. CO2, that is carbon dioxide gas, is being released and some other products are being formed. Okay, so when vinegar plus baking soda, it is going to give CO2 gas plus other products are being formed. So vinegar, you can say it is just a acetic acid. Sorry. Okay, so here you can see that lime water turns milky. Fine. So this was the reaction between baking soda and vinegar, and you can see acetic acid, baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate. Okay. So like the previous reaction, that is where metallic oxide was formed, this reaction is also showing the chemical change. As we are discussing on chemical change, we will see all these reactions. Okay. So one thing I would like to tell you that this calcium carbonate, further what is going to happen, CO2 is there, carbon dioxide is there. Now this lime water we are taking. So lime water is CaOH2. Okay, this is what? This is lime water. Fine. So it will give a product that is calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate will be formed plus H2O. So calcium carbonate is CaCO3. ठीक है? CaCO3 plus H2O water निकला. Further CO2 plus CaOH2, that is the lime water, and they are going to form calcium carbonate plus hydrogen, plus water. Okay, so this was overall the reaction vinegar. In the last topic of today's lecture, we will discuss about decomposition reaction. So next chemical change which we are going to see is decomposition reaction. This type of reaction, chemical reaction, is called what? The type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि बहुत सारे रिएक्शन के टाइप्स हैं. ये एक रिएक्शन है जिसको हम बोलते हैं डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. इसमें हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू टेक 2 ग्राम ऑफ फेरस सल्फेट. ओके, फेरस सल्फेट क्रिस्टल लेना है 2 ग्राम्स इन अ ड्राई बॉइलिंग ट्यूब. एक ड्राई बॉइलिंग ट्यूब आप ले लीजिए, ठीक है, ऐसे. और इसमें आपको 2 ग्राम ferrous sulfate. Okay, you have to take 2 gram of ferrous sulfate crystal in a dry boiling tube. So मतलब dry boiling tube में ही obvious है use करेंगे. Now what we have to see, we have to note here what we have to see. We have to note the color of the ferrous sulfate. We have to note the change in the color, or we have to see the color how it is changing. So we have to heat the boiling tube. Okay, fine. So here you can heat the boiling tube like this. You take a burner and heat, or you can keep the burner here. Heat it. So what you will going to see that when you will heat it with a split lamp or any burner you can take, you will see, observe the colors of the ferrous sulfate in this reaction. Okay, so in this reaction basically what happens ki single reactant is there that simply breaks into that is simply going to give us a simpler compound. That this type of reaction is called as decomposition reaction. Decompose हुआ, क्या decompose हुआ? एक single product था जो कि कुछ simpler एक सिंगल रिएक्टेंट था जो कि कुछ सिंपल प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाया. तो प्रोडक्ट सिंगल रिएक्टेंट क्या है यहाँ पे? बस एक सिंगल, दैट इज द फेरस सल्फेट. रिएक्टेंट तो बस फेरस सल्फेट है. लेट्स सी द केमिकल रिएक्शन. फेरस सल्फेट इज देयर, दैट इज FeSO4. सो रिएक्टेंट तो एक ही है. प्रोडक्ट्स क्या क्या फॉर्म होंगे जब फेरस सल्फेट को हीट कराया गया? तो कुछ सिंपलर कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म हुए. एक तो फेरिक ऑक्साइड फॉर्म होगा, फेरिक ऑक्साइड प्लस और क्या बनेगा? फेरिक ऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला मैं आपको बताती हूँ, Fe2O3 प्लस SO2 in a gaseous form will be formed plus SO3. Okay, दोनों गैस के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होंगे. इस रिएक्शन को डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन इसलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि इन दिस रिएक्शन reactants break down into simpler compounds. Here you can see कि एक ही reactant था और ये कितने simpler compounds में break हो गया. Okay, so this ferrous sulfate substance, it is going to lose its water when heated. अगर वैसे आप देखोगे तो what is ferrous sulfate is what? FeSO4 and it is having 7 molecules of H2O, that is water. So जब when you are heating it with a burner or a split lamp, it loses its water. अपने water को ये lose कर देता है. Okay, when it is being heated and the color of the crystal is going to change. इसलिए क्रिस्टल के कलर में चेंज आता है. इट इज देन डिकम्पोजेस इनटू, फर्दर ये किसमें डिकम्पोज होगा? डिकम्पोज हो जाएगा. फेरिक ऑक्साइड इज अ सॉलिड while sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are gases. These are gases. Ferric oxide is a solid. तो आप देख सकते हो कि केमिकल चेंज हुआ और जो प्रॉपर्टी रहेगी इन न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स की that will vary from this ferrous sulfate. Okay. So students, we have discussed today what is a chemical change. Then we have seen that different chemical changes which occurs in our day-to-day life. Then we have also got to know that कि chemical change is nothing but just a chemical reaction. जितने भी chemical reactions होते हैं वो एक chemical change है. तो हमने chemical reactions कुछ discuss किए. We have seen the formation of metallic oxide in which we have taken magnesium oxide. We have seen, and then we have taken the another reaction in which we have seen the reaction of vinegar, that is acetic acid with baking soda, and the third we have seen the decomposition reaction in which we have seen that how ferrous sulfate loses its water when it is being burned and the color is being changed and it is decomposed into simpler components. That why this reaction is a decomposition reaction. So these are what this type of changes which we have seen on all the three reactions. तीन टाइप के रिएक्शंस मैंने आपको दिखाया है, मेटेलिक ऑक्साइड वाला और विनेगर वाला और ये भी. तो ये जो चेंज है ये बेसिकली क्या है? ये चेंज जो होते हैं ये परमानेंट चेंज होते हैं. We will go in part 1 and see. We have discussed that physical changes can be reversible. They are not the permanent changes, but these changes are permanent changes and we cannot reverse it to form the original substance. यहाँ पे हम ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन नहीं कर सकते हैं और ये जो न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म हुआ है ये ओरिजिनल में नहीं कन्वर्ट हो सकता है. फाइन. सो दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड a part of chemical change. In the part 3 the chemical change will be continued in which here we have seen about the chemical reaction, but in that we will see that बस chemical reaction में और भी बहुत सारे changes हैं chemical change में और कौन-कौन से chemical change होते हैं. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have liked it. So please give a like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel or this scholar yet, please do subscribe it. So thank you student.